Hey, it's your homeboy. And you know what we do on this platform is addressing and answering those questions, those concerns when it comes to losing weight and getting back in even better health. For those who don't know me as yet, my name is Levia. I'm a fitness professional. I'm a nutrition coach. I love what I do. I love transforming people's lives with movement and proper eating habits. So today, I would like to address this question that I've received, which is how long, or I should say, not that question, but what's the best way to losing belly fat? Well, there's a lot of moving parts to answer this question. There's no right or wrong way. There's many different ways to get the same result, losing belly fat. What else is this? When it comes down to the way we eat, everybody's bodies, they perform differently. The way our body burns calories is different. The way our body stores calories, where it stores those stored calories is totally different. For some, that stored calories go in the hips, the butt, under the arms, neck, and for many, the midsection. So you find your belly's getting a little bigger, especially the lower area, that belly fat. We don't like it. Our shirt changed, the way we dress, it changed. It changed the way we look. And for many of us, we tend to get very self-conscious about that. Our self-esteem drops. It shows that your self-esteem drops, and even your mood sometimes change just because of increased belly fat. Not only that, but with men especially, it shows that they are high risk of diabetes and heart issues from just that midsection, obesity around that midsection. So just eliminating belly fat will help in many aspects of your health and life. You build self-esteem, help get rid of certain disease that was cooking up inside you as well. So the question still remains, what's the best ways to lose belly fat? First and foremost, we're looking at what we eat. What are those foods that you find that when you eat a lot of it, your pants or your dress, or you just get a little tighter? Be mindful of those foods and try to substitute those foods for something else. That's the first and foremost. Second is movement. Because your body's storing a lot of calories that you're not burning. Your body most likely might burn 15 or 2,000 calories per day or more, and you're consuming more, so your body's storing that calories inside around the midsection area. So now you're mindful of that. We have to look at movement, burning more calories, putting more steps in, finding some form of activity or a customized exercise plan just for you. That is vital. Then we look at the nutrition part. We knowing and understanding how much calories our body burns. So we have a custom tailored nutrition program specific for you and your needs. Combine both. By just doing such, you will see those belly fat just melt away. I hope I was able to answer that question in this short time. There is more to this that you should know. So if you have questions about it, you want more information, feel free, reach out to me and I'll address it. If you believe you can help a friend, feel free, and I will appreciate it a lot by you just sharing this content with a friend or colleague. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.